This video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you connect new Wi-Fi network on your Xbox Series X. To connect new Wi-Fi network, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, press the Xbox button to open the guide menu on your Xbox Series. Highlight the option for Profile and System and select Settings. As you go to Settings, under the General option, go to Network Settings, and here you want to select Advanced Settings, or you just want to make sure to click on the Network Settings, and there you could go ahead and enter in the details of your information. Now from here on, what you could also do is you could also go ahead and select DNS settings, and from the DNS section you want to click on manual. Then you simply want to make sure to go ahead and input this number, and after which you also want to go ahead and input 88 and 44 as a secondary IPv4 DNS. And once you do it, so this should be able to connect your network or Wi-Fi connection. If any of these procedure is hindered, then you could actually try stopping the background applications or running apps or games that should be able to help you out. If not, you could also try improving your Xbox Series setup. So that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.